Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how to easily create a cinematic opening text with cosmic effect on CapCut. So first, I'm using a black background as my background, and then I'm going to just go to text and type in my text here. I'm going to select the font. I'm going to just add this parallel font, and then I'm going to make it bigger. Click on the check icon, and now you can just screenshot this. So now you are going to start a new project and add the screenshot photos, but only this part, so only the text part, and click on add. And after that, just click on the photo, go to style, and in here select the cosmic effect option and wait for it to apply to your text. Just click on the check icon, then you'll have that opening text with cosmic effect like this. Okay everyone, so that's a simple tutorial from me. I hope it will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to click on the thanks button, like this video, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you.